Y'all ready to make some tacos? Boom. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, dice up a little onion. I like these real sweet. Peel out them first two layers. They be kind of leathery. We're gonna cook these till they caramelize. You know what I'm saying? Gonna cook these bad boys till they caramelize. Get the tacos a little bit of sweetness, because the first time I made these, they weren't punching like I wanted them to. So we're gonna caramelize these real quick. Put your pan on like medium. I don't want the onions to burn. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put a little olive oil in the pan. You know what I'm saying? Get all the onions in there. Y'all let me know if I'm talking loud enough. Man, I don't know if I'm talking loud enough or not. A little bit of salt on them joints. Some pepper. Gotta add some pepper. Turn the heat up. One more thing we can add is some oregano. Some oregano in there. Gotta make this thing messy, you know what I'm saying? Add a little bit of cumin in there too. Not too much, enough so you can taste it. I can't put a time limit on this. I don't know, shit. Excuse me, Lord. You just want to get a little bit of color on them and soften up. You don't want them to get too dark. You don't want them to burn. Maybe about 10 minutes, I'd say. Decided to make a quick pico. And some guac. Hey, let me know if y'all want me to do these videos for these two. I'll put them both in the same video. Alright, the onion softening up a little bit. See, they getting a little bit of color on them. Need to go a little bit longer though. If your pan get a little bit dry and the onion starting to stick and trying to burn a little bit, put a little bit more oil in the pan. Looking good. Alright, so it'll be about a couple more minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take these out, then we're gonna cook this chorizo. Alright. So this is about where you want them to be at. You want some caramelized bits, you want some that's not. You want them to be burnt. They look mighty tasty right now. Alright, we're gonna take them out and put this chorizo in the pan. Alright, chorizo in the pan on medium high. You don't want to have it too low because you want to get some color on this. At the same time, you don't want it to be too high because you don't want it to dry out. You want the meat to still be kind of juicy. You want that that fatty, greasy vibe of this. Let this go till it starts to render out some of that fat and get all delicious looking. See all that fat starting to render out? That's what you want. Chorizo real greasy. Y'all let me know what your favorite chorizo brand is. I done bought some, man, that been like all straight fat, and I was pissed off. Try to find you one. They got some good meat in there, as well as a good amount of fat. Do what I do. I ask, you know, folks that make it. Folks that eat it on a regular basis, I ask them what the good brand is, you know. Latin folks out there, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I just cranked up the heat. I'm about to add the onions back in the pan. And now it's a glorious mixture. So it's gonna be salty, spicy, gonna have a little sweetness from the onion. You know what I'm saying? Gonna make the taco real nice. Gonna be one hell of a breakfast. One thing you wanna be careful of too is the grease will pop on you. So if you got one of them grease screens, you know, use one. Alright, tortillas out, eggs in, put a little oil in the pan, and let them go. Should have had this pan a little hotter. Have it on like medium low. We're gonna cook the eggs scrambled soft. I don't want them to be like all dry and crumbly. Almost there. Cook the heat on for about 10 more seconds, and I'm gonna cut the heat off. Cause they're gonna keep on cooking in the pan. You want these jokers to be fluffy. I like mine about right here. You can go a little bit longer if you want to, but I won't get them like brown. Don't get no color on them. That's gonna be a mistake. Cause when I eat food, it's all about textures, and I want like a variance in textures. I don't want everything like having that same mouthfeel. You feel me? All right, now we're ready to build some tacos. We put a little oil in the pan. Help crisp up these tortillas. I like to use the yellow corn. I'll start off with some of this Fiesta blend cheese. Put that on one side. Then we're gonna put the chorizo and egg mixture down. And we're gonna put some mozzarella on top. I'm gonna get you some good melting cheeses for this. You know what I'm saying? You wanna get some of that good stretch action. You know what I'm saying? Like a good slice of pizza or a quesadilla. Call these joints cheesy chorizo tacos. Some eggs and chorizo. You don't want to put too much because then they ain't gonna act right. They're gonna want to explode on you just enough so you can get that taste. Ooh. They get that zoom in. Oh yeah. Good and greasy. Alright, mozzarella down. And right now, at this point, you can put some like your favorite hot sauce or salsa on the inside too. Just make sure it ain't too much because you don't want it to get all soggy. And some cilantro. Gotta have that cilantro. Hot sauce. We're gonna close them up. Gonna crank up the heat so they can crisp up on that first side. Then we're gonna flip them over. And it's gonna be time to eat. Woo! Quick tip, don't crank that heat up to no more than like medium, you know what I'm saying? Because tortillas is bread, you know what I'm saying? Just think about like a grilled cheese, you know what I'm saying? And you put the heat too high, in a couple seconds you walk away or something, it's burnt, then you're gonna be mad. So put it like medium, low, you know what I'm saying? And you're gonna have like the perfect crispy taco, I'm telling you. So peek, see that color? It'll be nice and golden brown. Just like that. This one could use a little bit more time. We'll flip it back over. Woo. That is the shiznai. Make these joints today, tomorrow. I made a gang of this chorizo and egg mixture. My kids told me if I don't have these for them, tomorrow morning, there's gonna be some problems. If y'all don't want them type of problem, make this. Make the recipe. Ooh, it's hot. Make the recipe. And let me know what you think. Hey.